Lots of people think you got to live with neuropathy or you've got to live on medications like gabapentin or Lyrica or Cymbalta. The fact is there are some new ways of helping to reduce the underlying nerve damage, which in turn reduces your pain. Neuropathy is a really tough condition that most practitioners tell patients learn to live with it. Stimpod is an effective new FDA-cleared treatment that really helps the underlying pain and suffering of neuropathy. Stimpod uses pulsed RF energy to go in and actually help restore more normal nerve function. I give the analogy, pretend like you're having a bad day with your computer. It's running really slow, it's acting up, you get super frustrated, you pick up the phone, you call tech support. What's the very first thing they tell you to do? Reboot your computer, unplug your modem, restart your router. That's what Stimpod does to the nerve. Stimpod works incredibly well, which is why great business model. We fly all over the world helping clinics put on neuropathy workshops. And at the workshop, we tell everybody, because usually we'll have somewhere between 20 and 45 people in the room. We tell everybody, you know, during the next 90 minutes, we don't have time to fully treat all of you, but I want every one of you to feel what Stimpod feels like. And so we'll treat 2 different locations on their leg, just their worst leg. We'll ask them, which leg is worse? We treat that worst leg for 10 minutes, then we have them walk around, and typically they will feel a big difference between the leg we just treated and the one we haven't treated.